kindergarten friends. Let's get started with our day. You ready with our morning message? All right, here we go. Read with me. Good morning, kindergarten rock stars. Today is Tuesday, November 17th, 2020. We are so happy you are watching today. Happy birthday, Olivia. Happy birthday, Olivia. I hope you're having a great day celebrating you. Very exciting. All right, let's get down to some work here. Let's put these sounds together to make a word. So I am going to push up each sound and then we'll blend it for the word. Ready? Here's our first one. B-A-T. Bat. Bat. Very good. Bat. Okay, here's our next one. R-A-T. Rat. Rat. Wonderful job. L-A-N. Lan. Lan. That's a nonsense word. We do practice blending nonsense words too. All right, last one. Help me out. V-an. Van. Van. Very good, boys and girls. All right, now tell me the words that have the same beginning sound. So I am going to give you 3 words. 2 are going to begin with the same sound, and one of them is going to be different. So you have to tell me the 2 that have the same sound. All right, are you ready? I'll say each of the groups of words twice. Here's the first group. Star, name, nap. Star, name, nap. Which 2 begin with the same sound? You are right. Name and nap. Whoops, that's circled. Name and nap begin with an N. And star is kind of the oddball. It begins with a S sound. All right, I'm ready to give you the next group of words. Here we go. Tomorrow, nickel, tootsie. Here we go again. Tomorrow, nickel, tootsie. You are right. Tomorrow and tootsie begin with a t, t, t. And nickel, it's the oddball. It begins with the N sound. Good job, boys and girls. All right, now we'll take a look at this next part here, and we need to write in the missing numbers. So we have the number 2 and 5, but there's some numbers in the middle that we're missing. So it's just like counting. We start with 2. What's the next number? You are right, 3. Little curve, little curve. All right, so we have 2, 3. What's next? You are correct, 4. Little line, big line down. So we know it's correct because it's just like when we count by ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, right in order. Wonderful, boys and girls. All right, last but certainly not least, love Mrs. Cool and Miss Pam. Let's keep going. Our letter of the week is our letter T. T, tiger. All right, and we need to count. Remember, counting every day helps us become great counters. Whoops, I'm going to put that there. I'm going to get out my, oops, I didn't want to get that. I wanted this. Are you ready to count with me? All right, count in your loud and proud voice. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Fabulous job. Now let's count down from 10. You grab my arrow. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off to the moon. You guys are awesome astronauts. All right, let's take a look at our ABC pattern. Let me see. Remember, ABC means 3 different things. So I'm going to do turkey, flag, hat. Okay, and I'm going to continue. That's my pattern. Turkey, flag, hat. Turkey, flag, hat. Okay, then I repeat it again. Turkey, flag, hat. Wonderful job. There is our ABC pattern. All right, let's peek at our sight words. All right, that's our new color word. Brown, orange, gray, red, blue, the, am, at, can, go. Very good. You guys do a great job. That's something you can practice all the time. All right, let's take a look at your job for today, your seesaw activities. And I believe they're posted already. Well, they should be posting pretty soon here for you. You're going to do the find it, you're going to do the can find it, and the go find it. So you have to do a great job of finding all the cans and goes and circling them. Once you finish, you're going to record yourself saying them, okay? Because we want you to be able to read them. We want you to be able to find them and read them. So once you're finished reading all the cans and all the goes, submit them by pushing the green check mark. Then I know you know your stuff. All right. The last one down here, this is kind of one that we've done yesterday. So we were working with the letter T, and we actually did this page during our Zoom. All right. So we are looking for the things that begin with the letter T, the t sound. There's 3 different pages. So there's a sort, there's this page, and then there's another page where you circle things that begin with the t sound or letter T's. All right. When you're finished with that, submit it so I can see your fabulous work. All right. Right over here. Oops. And I put sound instead of song. There we go. So you have 4 things to be looking for on videos. Your first thing is your math lesson, 3.2. We're working on writing 6 and 7, making and writing 6 and 7, all right, and counting. And then our handwriting, H and K. We'll have 2 sight word songs, Go sight word song and the Can sight word song, all right? We also are Zooming today. You're going to need 3 things when you Zoom, and I will also put that in the notes when I send you your Zoom link. But you're going to need your book, the balloon ride. You're going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. Today we're going to write, all right? And then when you go on your iPad for apps, I'd like you to do your Imagine Learning. Remember, that's the one that you have to scan the QR code on your orange folder to get in, all right? If you have any troubles, make sure somebody messages me so that I know that you need help and I can get you the help you need, all right? Wonderful. And last but not certainly least, I always want you to have a fabulous, wonderful day. So have a great day, boys and girls. Work hard, and I will see you at your Zooms today. Bye, friends.